Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 9a, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. And from the boot options that will show up, hold power off. This, as you can see, changes into reboot to safe mode. Click on OK and wait for the device to boot back up. Now when it does so, you will be taken to obviously the safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function. So any app that you've installed yourself will be temporarily disabled in this mode, and this is done for troubleshooting purposes. Now once you're done with safe mode, you can just simply reboot the device to go back to the normal mode. So now that you can see the device is back on, we have safe mode also marking at the bottom right here, and on the second page you have basically, or at least I do, an entire page of all the applications that I can't use in this mode. And if I try to, it gives me even this pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. So like I mentioned, to leave this mode you'd hold power button and volume up and then select restart, and this will reboot the device, and when it boots up it automatically enters normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.